Hi, I'm Harry.
I'm Tom, and welcome to DCR headquarters in Portsmouth.
Today we're going to give you 10 reasons why you should invest in DCR Systems.
Number one, our DCR Pro is proudly made in Britain. The Made in Britain stamp on the DCR Pro means that 85% of the parts sourced have to be from the UK.
Reason number two, DCR Systems were the world's first to produce a diamond cut wheel repair machine for mobile use. Its compact nature, meaning it can slide efficiently into a mobile van, and also with our tyre technology, up to 24-inch alloys, means you can achieve convenience for your customer at location of their choosing.
And reason number three is remote access. So to my right hand side at the top of the machine, there's two antennas, one for data and one for Wi-Fi. But what this does and what this allows us to do is support you by dialing into the machine and giving you the support you need. But also it gives you the ability to dial into the machine and collate all the information you need for your reporting.
Number four, tyre technology. As you can see, not only with its compact design, we've enabled you to leave the tyre on whilst cutting wheels up to 24-inch. This allows you to have a quicker process, meaning you can achieve more on a daily basis.
Reason number five, DCR have all the solutions on offer for your needs. From mobile to static, from preparation, resurfacing and refinishing.
Reason six, WhatsApp support groups. These will be set up upon completion of your DCR Pro training. This will give you a direct communication line to the technicians here at DCR, and you can actually contact them for anything like with the machine, wheels, absolutely anything at all, consumables that you may need, maintenance, you might want to book in a service. It's also there for reactive, but it's also there for us to be proactive. So if we have a new software update for you, then we're going to let you know about it. So leading on from that, this is something we've put in place to give you market-leading aftercare services here at DCR.
Reason number seven, DCR have been chosen in all different locations across the world. Just to name a few, Africa, Asia, Europe, America, Australia and New Zealand.
Reason 8, training. Here at DCR, when you purchase the DCR Pro, you require a day's training. That's 8 hours. That can be either carried out on site at your location, or if you're international, we can do a remote training session. But what we'd really love is you to come down to our training school here in Portsmouth, UK, where we have a selection of wheels, all the technicians on hand to carry out A1 training standards for your DCR Pro.
Reason number 9, warranty extensions. When your machine has come to the end of its 12 months warranty, we can give you the option to renew your warranty for a further 12 months. We believe we are the only lathe manufacturer that has this on offer.
Reason 10, money. That's why we're all here looking at this video. How can we add an extra revenue stream to our business? So if you're a dealership, an accident repair centre, body shop, smart repairer, valeter, detailer, tyre shop, or you're looking to set up a new business venture, let's hop on a Teams call and we can take you through our cost calculator to show you how this could be the next thing to turn your business on. If you're a business that's sat there thinking they'd like to diversify their revenue streams and add an extra income to your bottom line,
please do jump on a virtual call with Harry or myself to find out more.